Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to check for updates for your Huawei Y6 2019 smartphone, and also how you can set up to your phone to update automatically or manually. So let's do it. Go to settings, scroll down until you see system. Now go to software update, and from here you can check for updates manually. Just press this check for updates blue option. Now our phone checking is there some new version. In this case there is not. If in your case phone found some updates, just download it by Wi-Fi and install it. So how you can set up your phone to check for updates automatically? When you are in this menu, click on those three dots in the upper right corner of your phone. Now click on settings, and here it is. If this tab is disabled, your phone will not check for updates. But if you enable those options, your phone will update overnight and download over Wi-Fi connection. Be sure that your Wi-Fi option is enabled, because those updates can be big file over 15 megabytes and even more. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it was useful for you, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment section below.